I could get to all you guys on Skype and fucking show you guys my fucking... and display my screen. Hey, is there anybody in here? Look, I'm a friendly man. I ain't got shit on me. Anybody in here? Look, I'm seriously friendly, dude. I ain't got shit on me. Ain't no one in here. Man, I was hoping there'd be somebody in here. I really need this saline bag. Hey, I see you, buddy, down there. Look, I ain't got shit. Can you come up here and help me, please? I need you to give me this saline bag.
On my way, sir.
Oh, man, that's fucking epic, bro.
Wait, are you part of the No Shoes Clan, CGF?
No, I'm not part of the No Shoes Clan. They fucking... I tried to tactically log when fucking people captured me, and they fucking took everything from me and my shoes and put a burlap sack on my head. I can see with the sack on my head, so I think it looks pretty cool. But I'm seriously all gray. If you can give me this saline bag, I'm gonna drop it. Well, let's go on this... Hang on. Let's... This... Here, I'm gonna drop this saline bag on the ground right here. You see it right here on the ground?
Captain Crunch, are you free?
What?
Can you try to move Blue or Taco, please?
Nah, I can't move him.
Oh, you bastard. That's a sneaky name.
Oh,
his name is Mr Handcuffs.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Handcuffs.
Alright guys, I'll be right back.
You gonna do horrible things to me?
User disconnected from your channel.
You bet. Click. I can still do stuff.
Where are you going?
Alright, Chris, I'm about to get
Who's
this
running? Who's someone chewing at us?
Chained. I can't do shit. Oh no, dude!
There we go, I figured it out. Never mind. Okay.
No, not the bag. Oh, you dick.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh,
I'm looking for a servant.
I
One of
can't
y'all
believe
that
I
isn't
fell
Joe,
for this.
Try and do something
Yes,
to me or
you
Joe.
did.
They can't
can't do
fix
Oh,
it.
Okay,
man.
you fixed all that? Good.
God, I was even like, oh, Mr. Handcuffs.
Yeah, I was
That's a cool
saying, me
name.
and you are the only two that should have absolute power here.
Yeah, I can't move you.
That's so
Are you gonna
funny.
do horrible things to me, man?
No, I'm not gonna do anything horrible to you. You're alright. You're okay. You'll be fine. Just, you have a nice day, okay?
don't-
You better
don't-
hope I have a nice day.
Alright, man.
User entered your channel.
You have a nice day, buddy.
You too, man.
Sure, you may come back out there with things. Things mean credit card.
Hello? Is
Let's
that
just
you,
be
Mr.
honest.
Handcuff?
Yeah.
Yep, it's...
That's all I said.
What's up, man? How you doing? You doing alright?
I'm doing
shit.
fine, man. I'm having a great day.
Yeah, I'm sure you are, dude. You look fucking epic, bro.
Hey, do I? What do I
Hey,
look
tell me,
like?
does
You take all
this
my-
hurt?
No, it feels good. Keep punching me. Yes. Keep punching me.
Yes. Oh, dude, what are you laying on the
Punch me
ground
right in the
for?
dick.
No, I don't want to punch you in the dick.
Alright, we should
What's
have
that?
the servant.
I do,
Punch
dude.
me
I'm
in the
not.
ass.
I'm not gonna punch you in the ass. Okay, I'm not gonna fist you.
Joe, do you need my,
Nope,
my-
you're not getting
hold on,
fisted.
hold on, I'm coming
Okay,
up.
maybe just once.
Yeah.
Oh, oh. Mr.
Oh,
Handcuffs,
Mr. Handcuffs,
bitch!
know that I love you.
Handcuffs, bitch! Google